The JAYS T7. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will look at the T7 by JAYS. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with the user guide, USB-C charging cable, and small, medium, large ear tips. The T7 features 5 hours of listening time and 20 hours with the case. It takes 1.5 hours to fully charge, uses Bluetooth 5.0, touch controls, USB-C and wireless charging, and it has active noise cancellation and an ambient feature. The case is compact and similar in design to the Apple AirPods Pro case. It has a matte finish all around and it's easy to grip. You can see the JAYS branding on the front and the status LED lights. On the back, you'll find the pairing button along with the USB-C charge port. To access the earbuds, the lid just flips up and it opens and closes smoothly. I found the earbuds a bit difficult to grip and remove from the case. As mentioned earlier, this has wireless charging, and here you can see it activate on the charger. The earbuds have a short stem design with a matte finish just like the case. You can see the large base on the inner face. The outer face has the JAYS branding along with a large surface for the touch controls. Each of the earbuds have interchangeable ear tips, sensor, charging contacts, microphones, and touch control. Here they are side by side. Controls are straightforward, a few taps to get the desired function. There is an audible click when navigating the touch controls. Cycling through the ANC and ambient feature is a long 2-second press. A voice prompt will indicate what setting you're on. The case comes in at 2.5 by 1 by 1.8 inches. It weighs in at 45 grams and the earbuds come in at 11 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
We like demons, we like friends, 10 times 10, all my friends, this for real, till the end. Numbers on my phone, they keep calling me. Girlies at my shows, why they all on me? I don't want them, no, get them all off me. Say that for L, she a cause, you see. 4 cars deep, we'll come through on the lake.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the JAYS T7 microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone came in loud and clear during calls and other parties had no issues hearing me. The pairing process was instant and when testing video on an iOS device there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the T7. The earbuds were easy to put on and it seated well in my ears. They felt secure and I didn't feel excessive pressure in my ear canals. The touch controls also help in reducing the pressure. Build and quality is good. The case and earbuds feel solid and durable. The earbuds don't protrude out as much once seated in your ears. I found the touch controls to be a bit overly sensitive, and just adjusting the earbuds slightly or running your fingers across it can activate the functions. Battery life is a bit underwhelming, coming in at 5 hours and 20 total with the case. I like the USB-C and wireless charging feature. There was no mention of an IPX rating, so I would not get these exposed to the elements. The active noise cancellation feature can cancel up to 25 decibels. I found it to be just average compared to the earbuds that I have tested in the past with this feature. The transparency feature picked up the surrounding sounds, but it was not as loud. Now when it comes to sound, starting off with the bass, it has its presence. It's deep, punchy, and not overwhelming, and it sounds precise. Mids and highs come in clean and clear. Vocals and instruments do stand out. I feel that it has a balanced sound signature, and it did well as I tested it through various music genres. Overall, I feel that JAYS is headed in the right direction. These are the first true wireless pair with ANC that they introduced. It does have its pluses and minuses that I have mentioned earlier, and the price point is a bit on the higher side compared to the earbuds with the same features. So that is my review of the JAYS T7 True Wireless Earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.